Have you ever just wondered, where did the elements of the periodic table come from? Well, you're about to find out. This is the story of how we are all star stuff.
So, how is your chemistry homework going?
It's so hard. Where did these elements even come from?
Before the Big Bang theory was introduced, scientists believed that the periodic elements were neither created nor destroyed. They were just there. However, further research had scientists believe that the elements were created from stars. So, since stars go through the process of fusion, these stars fused two hydrogen atoms to make helium, the byproduct. In result, stars were primarily made up of hydrogen and helium. This is in fact true, but this confused many scientists, because the Big Bang theory suggested that all the elements were spread out evenly. Thus came into play the B²FH paper written in 1957 by Geoffrey Burbidge, Margaret Burbidge, William Fowler, and Fred Hoyle. This paper proposed that stars produced themselves by fusing over and over again.
Wait, but how is that even possible?
Well, two hydrogen makes helium. Two helium makes either lithium, boron, beryllium, or carbon. Then these elements fuse, and then those fuse, and then so on. This process stops once iron is produced. This is because when fusing elements above it, it will require more energy than it produces. So this eventually causes the stars to explode.
Wait, so where do the rest of them come from?
When this supernova occurs, there is plenty of energy laying around to fuse heavier elements with, in order to produce the rest of the elements in the periodic table. After a certain supernova occurred 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system started to form, beginning with our sun, then the gas giants, then finally the rocky planets. Gas giants really captivated scientists so much that they named them after elements that had no relationship with them at all. Uranium, Uranus; Neptunium, Neptune; plutonium, Pluto.
People figured out some of the past just by knowing the qualities of certain elements?
Yeah, it would not have been possible without knowing the special properties of certain elements. For example, uranium and lead were used to identify the age of planet Earth since uranium decays to different lead isotopes. Iridium was used to discover many meteors, asteroids, and comets which began the dinosaurs' extinction. Also, rhenium, the decayed element for iridium, identified the possibility of periodic asteroids approaching Earth.
In the end, if it weren't for the fusing of elements and supernova explosions to create planet Earth, we probably would not be here, which basically means we are all star stuff.